that I am inspired by this person, Jeff Bezos, and I also have certain personality traits like him. For having a strong personal brand, you need to have certain personality traits. That I am inspired by this person, Jeff Bezos, and I also have certain personality traits like him. And let me discuss with you what are those personality traits, and I'll also tell you how I also have those 3 personality traits that Jeff Bezos also have. I know it's a quite big thing to admit, but I don't think so that I'm lying here, and I would want to share it with the world that what are these 3 personality traits that I am quite similar to when it comes to Jeff Bezos. So the first personality trait that makes him a strong personal brand is his risk-taking attitude. Yes, he didn't have any money, but he wanted to start his own business. The only investors in his business were his parents, but he wanted to do it. And today we know him as the founder of Amazon. And Amazon is one of the biggest e-commerce stores that we know, and it is the biggest threat to any bookstore and any retailer. And with the help of technology, with the help of innovation, he could convert this Amazon into a big empire. And while he started, he knew that there was 70% chances of him getting failed, but still when he wanted to do it, he wanted to do it. He put in the time, the effort, the money that his parents spent. And now today he is one of the richest man. So this was only possible because of his risk-taking attitude. And same is the case with me. I left my job 2.5 years ago. I was the PR and content head of a company, but I wanted to do something of my own. I knew that I had the potential. I was earning a decent income there, but I wanted to do something of my own. I took a risk. Yes, there was some tiff between me and the founders of the company, but I wanted to do something of my own from very early, and I wanted to have my own company. And this dream of having my own company could only be materialized when I could leave the job. Yes, I could have worked simultaneously, but I really wanted to get out of this 9 to 5 grind, and I wanted to do something of my own. I was not satisfied there, and I took the big risk. I know a lot of people who stay in the company just for the sake of money, but I gave up on money. I know some people would say that this is not a smart decision to make, but I wouldn't have been at this place if I wouldn't have left the job which I was in 2 years back. So I took the risk. I took the risk of saying no to money and saying yes to the efforts, to the time, and to a lot of hard work that I would have to put in making my own company. And here I am. And I know I have learned a lot of things in the past 2 years. I think so many things that I haven't learned in the past 30 years of my life that I learned in these 2 years. So this is one of my risk-taking attitude that has made me, or that is making me into a strong personal brand. I am trying my level best to get out of my comfort zone and do the things which I haven't done before. So this is my risk-taking attitude. Every time I am trying something new, I am taking a risk. I am learning new things. I am taking a risk. The second personality trait that made Jeff Bezos a strong personal brand was his big thinking. Yes, he could think of the ideas which nobody could think of. He incentivized employee departures with US dollars 10,000. Yes, he gave 10,000 US dollars to employees who wanted to move out of the company. Well, he had his motives, but who could think of, I mean, if let's say you are leaving the company, will your employer give you 10,000 US dollars or maybe 1,000 rupees extra? No, he won't. So he had this motive. So what he really wanted to do is, actually he wanted to get rid of these employees, but he also got his other motives fulfilled by doing so. The first one was that he wanted to get rid of the employees who stayed in the company but they wanted to quit. So he knew that these people are not adding any value to the company. They are unproductive people. So his first motive was this. His second motive was to make these people their partners. Yes, and because he knew that these people who are the employees of Amazon would be better off as their partner, as his partner. So he wanted to make these people as his delivery vendors, you can say delivery partners. And third one is, he wanted to reduce his dependence on companies like FedEx. He wanted to remove his dependence. But see the idea, see the creativity he had in his mind, and how he applied that creativity, and in that creativity how he got benefited. So this is called big thinking. Now coming to me, how I have this big thinking is, I always approach my team members. Yes, I have a team working with me. I always approach my team member. I always ask them, what should I do, what shouldn't I do. Let's say if I am getting an image made from a designer, I always ask him or her, do you like the image? What according to you would be the best thing to do in the designing part? So I always ask for their ideas, and most of my team members are pretty much active on Instagram. I am still growing on Instagram. So I always ask for their ideas, for their thinking, for their research, and for the knowledge that they have. I always seek their suggestions, seek their advice. So this is a trait of being a big thinker, not really asking them to do everything like I am telling them everything. No, I do tell them, I do guide them, but I always seek advice from people. I don't think so that you need somebody who is aged only as a mentor. You can have a mentor who is younger than you, who has the knowledge. It is always said that you should always work with people smarter than you, because then they would bring value to the table. So all the people I am working with, the writers, the designers, are really people who know a lot, than me. And this is where my big thinking comes from. And I am quite a good reader, an avid reader. I read a lot, and whatever I read, something creative if I'm reading, I always apply that on my team members, on myself, on my content, on the strategies that I am working on. So in my personal and professional, both the lives, I try to apply those learnings, those readings, and this is where my big thinking comes. The third personality trait is he being a great learner. Yes, he is the one who actually is open to learning. He learns a lot of things, he learns new things, and he adapts to new learnings. It's not really that he learns and he doesn't execute. No, he learns and then he executes. For example, Amazon nowadays has a subsidiary called audible.com, where people can download audio form of the books. So he adapted to it very quickly when he got to know about the audio platforms, and today he has subsidiary like audible.com to sell their audio books to the audience who really want to listen to the audio form of the books. So he adapted very quickly. So that's very important, that he learns and he adapts. Now same is the case with me. I learn a lot of things. Being an entrepreneur, I need to learn a lot of things. I need to be on toes. I read a lot of books, I watch a lot of videos, I listen to a lot of podcasts, and this gives me a lot of edge over my competitors. because I am not just learning, but I am also executing the things. I have got this compliment many a time from people around me that I am a fast executor. Yes, a fast implementer. I implement things quite fastly. Yes, quite faster than my competitors. So I keep on learning new things and I keep on executing new things, and that's why I have been able to build presence on all major social media platforms, and that's the reason I have been able to build a personal, I wouldn't say a strong, I am still in the process of doing that, but I am building a strong personal brand. Why? Because I am a good learner, and I am somebody who doesn't just learn and forget. I am somebody who learns and then I also implement those things. So these are the three personalities traits I am inspired from when it comes to Jeff Bezos, and I also have these personality traits. I am practicing these things every single day so that I grow into a strong personal brand. And same is the case with my clients. I try to find out their personality traits and I try to improve on those personality traits so that they can grow into a successful personal brand.